Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. I got a good old salad going on here with some kale, tomatoes, and onions. And I'm going to put some of the Bragg's vinaigrette, some liquid amino, and some pepper and salt. And then I'm going to top it off with some quinoa. So actually, I'll go ahead and put my quinoa on top. This is some good eating right here, baby. I'm excited about this salad. Yes. Some extra protein. I'm just going to put it all on top. Let's just go for it. And let me put you down for a second. Yeah. While I add my salt. And my pepper. I had a liquid amino that had like a spray. That was pretty cool. I should have kept the sprayer, but it's fine. I'll just pour a little bit of this on there. Make sure I get it good. Yeah, however much and the dressing is pretty much almost done. This vinaigrette. So I'm gonna pour a good amount of that on there as well. How you want you? Ooh. It has olive oil in it, so it solidifies a little bit, but once we mix it around in there, it'll be just fine. Ooh. I made a little bit of a mess. So that's the salad. That's for brunch/lunch today. If you decide to make something similar, I hope that you enjoy. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.